Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that everyone is doing awesome. If this is your first time here, then welcome. So this is another emergency stop the presses type of video. The video that was actually planned for this Friday was my wrap up for Aloe April. So that will be going up next Friday because Sarenzo Beauty's birthday sale, if all goes according to plan in my whole editing situation, I'm filming this the day before the sale starts. So wish me luck. If you guys are seeing this at 11:30 a.m. on May 5th, that means that everything went according to plan. Sarenzo Beauty is kicking off their birthday sale today, May 5th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I wanted to have this video try to get up as close as possible to this sale because this is one of those sales where the earlier that you shop, the better the deal. So today, if you're seeing this is a 40% off situation. So although we'll be celebrating the birthday sale throughout the entire month of May, each subsequent weekend this month, the sale will drop down. So I'm gonna have all that information in this video. I also have an absolutely epic unboxing to show you guys a ton of goodies that she has for the spring and summer seasonal collection. Make sure to stay until the end of the video. This video also includes an awesome giveaway, so make sure to stay to the end so you can get all the details. And last but not least, but very importantly, you guys may or may not know that all of my affiliate links, including the one for Sarenzo Beauty, are down in the description box of virtually all of my videos. If you're gonna be shopping this sale or anytime that you shop with Sarenzo Beauty, just by clicking that link, you still get the same benefits and awesome deals on the website. Really helps me out big time and I would appreciate it so much. So we've got a lot of ground to cover and I've got to get this bad boy up in time for this awesome sale. So let's jump right on in. One of my favorite sounds. So we're gonna get things started in wash day order with pre-poos. If you guys know me, you know I am a pre-poo girl. I detangle on dry hair. I apply some deliciousness to my hair to get things started. And from what I've been hearing about Sarenzo Beauty's pre-poos, they are something. We've got the okra and omelet pre-poo. Now, although I've never eaten okra, I do know that as far as it goes for hair care, it is wonderful. It has tons of vitamins and nutrients. The weird, slippy, slimy, kind of snotty texture that it gives you lends itself wonderfully to being able to give you so much slip. I've been diving deeper into the world of Ayurveda, so I love to see amla there. Speaking of Ayurvedic ingredients that I absolutely love, we've got the fenugreek and rice water pre-poo. I'm pretty new into the whole rice water thing, but I actually learned from Sarah, the owner of Sarenzo Beauty, that there are different types of rice that can be used to make a rice water treatment. This has so many more. Y'all hear that thunder? With these first 3 products, you can use them on wet or dry hair, so they're nice and versatile. So next up, we've got the mango and clay hair treatment. You guys know Sarenzo is my one-stop shop for clays. I've tried so many different ones from so many other brands, and no matter what she does with a clay, my hair ends up loving it. So I already know this is probably gonna be like an instant HG. And as I mentioned, this is another one that you can apply to wet or dry hair. Since I mentioned I'm still kind of getting my feet wet with the whole Ayurveda thing, one of the things that I've heard good things about for years and years are tea rinses. But because y'all know me, I'm not a DIY girl. I love seeing something that is just ready for me to just go to town with my hair straight out the bottle. This is the ashwagandha and black tea rinse. And one of the reasons that I really wanted to try a rinse, black tea is supposed to be really good for hair shedding. It's supposed to be really good for helping to strengthen your follicles. And I love that you have like a really good amount of product to play around with. In addition to black tea, we've got that ashwagandha root, marshmallow root, great for slip. Speaking of which, next up is slippery elm, moringa, neem, nettle, hibiscus, camu. So moving into cleansers, we've got some new ones for spring and summer. We've got the shikakai and cedar rasul clay wash. And I don't think I've ever tried anything with cedar. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. But I've never tried anything with this in the ingredient list. I'm very intrigued. Keeping up with the benefits of tea, this has chamomile tea infused with shikakai, which is also an Ayurvedic ingredient that has really nice cleansing properties. We've got rasul clay, kaolin, that slippery elm, really good stuff. And as I've mentioned in so many videos at this point, I've totally lost count. Sarenzo Beauty clay washes for me are something special because so many of the clay washes that I've tried in the past, they don't get my hair clean. They leave a weird residue on my scalp. My hair in general, I can feel something's on it. Something's going on. Someone's present. But with these clay washes, they give me detangling, which is super weird for a cleanser. They make my scalp feel so refreshed. They're very gentle on my hair while still giving me a deep clean. Another one that we have here is the moringa and ambunu clay wash. I've heard really good things also about the cleansing properties of ambunu. It's also supposed to be conditioning at the same time. Something I started to dive into over the past couple of years that I always thought my hair was too tangled and too thick to actually make work are scalp scrubs. I had like some itching that just persisted no matter if I used like a peppermint shampoo or what. Nothing was working. And I can already tell just by looking at this one in the jar that the actual granules that you use for the scalp exfoliation is much finer, which makes me happy because I don't want to cause any micro tears on that delicate skin on my scalp. There's some sugar, sunflower oil infused with Tulsi, Jamon, which is another new thing to me. I don't think I've heard of Jamon, maybe once. We've got Brangari, palm oil, ashwagandha, mango butter, coconut butter. This makes me want to do my hair like right now. Look how fine that is. Some scalp scrubs that I have in my stash are so big that they might even be like too much for me to use on my actual skin. So it's really nice to see one that is just so fine. So I will definitely be trying this one and try to get a review out while we're still in the spring and summer months. And I've heard from a couple of you guys that actually have this product that it's one of the best rinses that you've ever tried. So I'm really excited for this one. This is the Jamon and Green Tea Hair Rinse. This particular product is supposed to be good for reducing hair loss, stimulating the scalp, as well as helping to prevent dandruff. So lots of great benefits jammed into this bottle. So now that we've gotten into our pre-poos, cleansers, and rinses, next we're gonna move into deep conditioning. I might not add any music to this video, y'all, because nature is giving me like a soundtrack right now. The Moringa and Sea Kelp Deep Conditioner. Every time I see sea kelp in something, I think of the Little Mermaid. But this deep conditioner says it's great for nourishing, hydrating, moisturizing, and softening your strands, leading to an awesome foundation before you go into styling. Moving on into styling, we got some nice Ayurvedic goodness. That literally sounds like someone's just taking a massive pee just like in the corner. That's fun. We've got the Brangari Braid and Lock Moisture Mist. Spray products like these are great for getting tons of moisture and nutrients to your hair and scalp. Another awesome tea that I see in the ingredient list is actually the one that I have the most experience with, which is hibiscus tea. With these hot and humid months that are already starting. I was gonna say this coming up, but it's hot today. This is not highlighter, y'all. This is sweat. So it's already getting a little spicy around here. So something like this, I can re-moisturize my hair. And although I love oils, the fact that this is just like pure moisture with those extracts that my hair already responds well to. Now getting into our stylers, I was like, I can smell this through my screen and I just know it smells good. This is a hibiscus and strawberry hair gel. I don't think I've ever used a product with strawberry powder in it. I have a couple in my stash, not many, you don't see it all the time. We've got that hibiscus tea front and center mixed with the strawberry powder, which is where we get this beautiful red color. Heavy on the Ayurveda on this product, and since a styler stays on your hair longer than any other product in your wash day, it's nice to know that you have so many good ingredients for a product that's gonna like be on your hair for at least a few days or more. This one's supposed to be good for really bringing out that definition, helping to reduce frizz with a nice hold and smooth finish. And speaking of my Aloe April wrap-up video, y'all already know that Aloe has a special place in my heart. I have a lot of things planned for this product. This is the Aloe jelly. A texture like this lends itself very well to being able to kind of, you know, just kind of see how things go with trying it in different ways, different styles. The Aloe jelly is light holding and says it's great for wash and goes, twists, braids, bantu knots. It has aloe vera, glycerin, which my hair absolutely loves, marshmallow root, slippery elm, hibiscus, burdock root. And then wrapping up styling, we've got a nice little shine glaze, perfect for giving your hair some really nice shine, softness. And because this is from the spring and summer collection, we do have like a lighter oil blend that's not really heavy. Another awesome thing about Sarenzo Beauty is that she includes delicious little samples. If you've never shopped with her before, if you look at the body care items, there's such a huge scent library of things to choose from. So I love that the samples are a really good size, so you can really try it out, see what you think. And one of my other favorite products you guys know I've talked about a lot is her creamy oils. In case you have never seen the creamy oil in action, it's not like a traditional liquidy oil. It's not a solid. It exists in this like beautiful, I don't know how to describe, you gotta try it type of situation. But it melts down very quickly and leaves your skin feeling amazing. Again, this is a body product, so most people I think do use it on their skin. It just gives you like a really nice glow without leaving your skin feeling greasy or oily or anything. But her scents, oh my gosh, what is this one that I just used? This one's in Homemade Punch. It just smells like this combination of juicy fruits. Sarenzo Beauty has a huge breakdown of all their scents, the different notes, so you can get an idea of the type of fragrances that you might like while you're trying to like narrow down your choices. So if you guys remember when my hair was straight the last time, I used the creamy oils to help to keep the moisture out of my hair from the air, because the creamy oils, although they are very softening to the skin, they are free from any water content. And because of where I live, even if it's like the middle of January, it's gonna be some type of humidity going on. So when I'm wearing my hair straight, that's just what I need. I've never tried this before, but I've already smelled this one before I got things going because I was so curious, and I knew based on the description I was gonna like this. This is the Coconut Lime Coconut Milk Moisturizer. Again, a really nice sample. I can take this with me to San Francisco when I'm going with John. The trip is in flux a little bit. We're trying to get him healthy. We're trying to get him good before we send him on his way to the West Coast. And we send Ashley back here like crying in a puddle. And I need to travel light. Like, I'm not even carrying a carry-on type of light. So something this size would be perfect for me to use. If you guys remember my first empties video from 2022, I had some good old-fashioned Vagisil in there. And although that product was okay, I have been testing out more natural alternatives. This is the Leger Cranberry Feminine Cleansing Honey. The name is so cute, Cleansing Honey. Many of us have heard about the great benefits that cranberry extract can have if you take it internally, whether that's via like a pill or cranberry juice. But I've also heard that cranberry is a really good ingredient for the lady bits externally as well. So I am very excited to try this. Ingredients to keep things nice, balanced, and happy down there. So this is one of the body products that I've wanted to try for the longest because I've heard so many good reviews about it. And wrapping up our last two products from the body line, aluminum free and baking soda free. That for me is huge. You guys know that I've talked about deodorants more on my channel recently. Since I've been in my 30s, I've noticed some changes in things when it comes to deodorants. Some just aren't cutting it. I like trying different natural alternatives. I also get a lot of buildup sometimes from more traditional deodorants. So that's another reason I like experimenting with more natural varieties. And the thing about a lot of natural deodorants with baking soda, a lot of us can relate. Baking soda burns the crap out of my armpits. I have an immediate reaction pretty much almost every variety that I've tried except for one, and that's one that I can't even use every day because I feel like it's almost teetering on the edge. So pretty much me and baking soda and deodorants don't get along. So I'm really happy that this one is not only aluminum free, but it's baking soda free. Ooh, this smells just like baby powder. This takes me back. This is like a nostalgic fragrance to me. This is what it looks like, very nice and solid. Since I know this video is going up tomorrow, you wouldn't have seen the video where I'm gonna be talking to y'all about the horrible reaction that I got under my arms from shaving. And with ingredients like cocoa butter, arrowroot powder, kaolin clay, calendula wax, not only do I think this isn't gonna irritate things further, but because a lot of those are very nourishing, healing, helping to kind of fade discoloration type of ingredients, especially that cocoa butter, I think it's gonna really help with that discoloration thing I have going on. It says that this is designed to keep you odor free all day long, so that is definitely what I'm looking for. Last but not least, this is an awesome little fragrance roll-on. I already know I love this one, so I'm so excited that it's this. It's the apple honey roll-on. Imagine like the juiciest apple you've ever tasted with this luscious creamed honey type of fragrance. I think it might be even top 3 territory. It smells so good. I'm claiming dates this summer. I'm claiming going out this summer. So this will be going in my purse on those adventures, and I will definitely be using it. So I mentioned at the start of this video, this is the type of sale where the quicker you get that order in, the better deal you're gonna get. So if you are seeing this on May 5th, 2022, you're gonna be able to get 40% off from 12 p.m. noon Eastern Standard Time through 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. After that, from the 6th of May through the 8th, you're gonna get 35% off. The following weekend, May 13th through the 15th, you're gonna get 30% off. From May 20th through the 22nd of May, you're gonna get 25% off. And wrapping up the birthday month sale, the last weekend of May, the 27th through the 29th, you're gonna get 20% off. So I'm gonna have all the info right here handy dandy for you to see. So if you made it to the end of the video, this is where we're gonna get into the nitty gritty of how you can enter to win a $50 gift card from Sarenzo Beauty. Normally I would put the rules in the description box, but a lot of people don't watch to the end of the video, so this is a reward for those people and a thank you to those of you who have watched to the end of the video. So the giveaway is going to run until Monday, May 9th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the winner will be announced on my community tab on Wednesday, May 11th, so keep an eye out there. So to enter the giveaway, there's 4 pretty simple criteria. The first thing is to like this video. I say it at the end of the video, and so many people here on YouTube say it because that thing makes a difference. The liking really does help our videos, help more people to see us, help us to grow. So first, like this video. Next up, make sure sure that you are subscribed to my channel. The third criteria, leave a comment in the comment section. It can be anything. It can be what you plan to get during this sale, which of these products sounded the most interesting to you, pretty much anything. And last but not least, over to my Instagram and leave a comment on this particular photo. I'm going to be posting the photo the same day that this video goes live, if everything goes according to plan in the editing world. This one right here is a throwback of me using one of my favorite products from Sarenzo Beauty. That's where you're going to leave your fourth and final component to enter this giveaway. Leave a comment, and if your YouTube name is different than your Instagram name, put your YouTube name under the Instagram picture so that I know it's you, so I can like circle back around type of thing. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this big old beautiful unboxing of all the awesomeness that Sarenzo has in store for these warmer months. She's got so many other things on her website. So happy shopping. Make sure you click that link. Let me know what you get in the comment section below. Let me know if you've tried any of these, what your favorites are. I've got some videos planned for some of these seasonal goodies because remember, they're not going to be available all year round. So when summer is winding down, Sarenzo Beauty will be gearing up for some new things. So if you try any of these and you fall in love, definitely stock up while they are available. Remember to give this and every video a like. It goes a long way and it is so much appreciated. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so as well. I would love to have you. And turn those notifications on, because although I usually upload videos on Friday, there may be a super special like breaking news. I gotta let you guys know about this type of situation where I upload on a different day. And I will see you all in the next one, which will be my Aloe April wrap up. So hope you guys are doing great. Happy shopping, and I will see you later. Bye guys.